Are you ready? Circulatory pathways, or you need some more time, beta? Nobody has raised hands, so no issues. You can revise, beta. Circulatory pathways up to this part. Incomplete double circulation. Whoever is ready, raise your hands. Two people have done. Three. Soni, Drishti, Srishti. Okay, Ariba is also done. Chalo, 1 minute more. Aradhya, Soham and Uditi. Just 1 minute more. I think we should start now. People have already said they've done. I think we can start. What did you read about, children?
Circulatory pathways.
Circulatory pathway.
Circulatory pathways.
And before this, we have done about plasma, we did about RBCs, and we also did about WBCs.
WBCs.
All vertebrates possess a dash chambered heart.
Muscular chambered heart.
Muscular chambered heart.
Muscular chambered heart.
Annelids and dash have a closed circulatory system.
Chordates.
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 Open circulatory system is present in mollusks and
Arthropods.
Arthropods.
very good. Now very important. Open circulatory system in arthropods and mollusks. The blood is pumped by the heart. It passes through large vessels into open spaces or body cavities called
Sinuses.
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 Good. Next, Peter. Fishes have a dash chambered heart.
Two chambered heart.
Two chambered heart.
Amphibians and dash have a three chambered heart.
Reptiles. Except
Reptiles.
crocodile.
Yeah, exception of course is the crocodile.
Crocodiles.
Mammals have a dash chambered heart.
Four chambered heart.
Four chambered heart.
Okay. In fishes, the heart pumps out dash blood. Oxygenated or
Deoxygenate.
Deoxygenated.
So in fishes, the blood is oxygenated by
Gills.
Gills.
Scales.
Gills.
What kind of a circulation do we find in fishes?
Single circulate.
Single
Single
circulation.
circulation.
Very good. In amphibians and reptiles, the dash atrium receives oxygenated blood,
Left
Left.
atrium.
and the dash atrium receives oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, sorry. Which atrium?
Right.
Right.
Right it.
Right atrium.
In birds and dash, oxygenated and deoxygenated are received by the left and the right atria respectively. In birds
Mammals.
and
Mammals.
yes,
Mammal.
yes, it is mammals. Very good.
Mammals.
Okay, so they have what kind of a circulation?
Double
Double circulation.
Circulation.
I think you had read about only till incomplete double circulation, but the next part is very few lines. In birds and mammals, beta, what happens? We know that oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, the one which is received by the left atria will pass on to the left ventricle, and similarly right will pass on to the right ventricles. So there is no mixing up of blood in this. That is why we call this as double circulation. Oxygenated and deoxygenated are separated. So incomplete single circulation was found where? In which category?
In fishes.
Fishes.
And double circulation we just read. Where did we find it?
Mammals, reptiles, and
Birds, crocodiles, and mammals.
birds, crocodiles, and mammals.
Very good.
Birds, crocodiles, and mammals.
We still have time. Let's do this much. Only this part. The entire heart is made up of. Just do this paragraph. Only this. And I'll give you only 2 minutes so that I can ask questions. Hurry a bit. D? Should we try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, as it is, this is nothing like a test or something. But basically, let's have a very quick revision. 6 students have already said yes. So we can start this. So we read about single circulation, we read about double circulation. So there is no confusion now which category has which kind of a blood circulation. Now I'll ask questions now very quickly. Heart is dash derived organ.
Mesodermally.
Yes, very good. It's a mesodermally derived organ. It is situated in the dash cavity
Thoracic cavity.
Thoracic cavity.
between dash lungs. How many lungs?
2 lungs.
2 lungs.
Yes. Heart is slightly tilted towards
Left.
Left.
towards the left. Okay, now tell me very quick. Carefully listen. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a valve which is formed of dash flaps. The opening between, listen, the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a valve formed by dash muscular flaps. How many muscular flaps?
3.
Yes.
3.
Or you can call it
Three.
as dash valve. Which valve?
Tricuspid valve.
Good.
Tricuspid valve. Tricuspid
And
valve.
name the valve which guards the opening between the left atrium and left ventricle.
Bicuspid valve.
Good.
Bicuspid valve.
The atrium and the ventricle of
Bicuspid
the
valve.
same side are separated by a thick fibrous tissue called
AV septum.
Very good. Yes, it
AV
is
septum.
AV.
Arterioventricular septum.
Okay, good. Our heart has dash chambers.
4.
4.
Four chamber.
Human heart is protected by a double-walled membranous bag. What is it?
Pericardium.
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 Pericardium encloses a fluid which is called.
Pericardial fluid. Pericardium fluid.
Pericardium fluid.
You just told me human heart has 4 chambers. So let's talk about the upper 2 chambers. What are they called?
Atrium. Left atrium and
Atrium.
Upper 2 chambers. What are they called?
left atria and right atria.
Collectively, together, what are they called? Upper 2 chambers.
Atrium. Atria.
Atria.
Yes, I asked you 2 chambers together. So you should not say atrium. It becomes singular. It is atria. And the 2 larger lower chambers, what are they called?
Ventricles.
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 Valve part, you people got confused. Let me revise it again with you very quickly. Name the valve. It's got 2 names basically. You can write, give me any one. Which guards the opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle.
Bicuspid valve.
Bicuspid valve.
Bicuspid valve.
Bicuspid valve.
Or what is the other name?
Mitral valve.
Mitral.
valve.
Mitral
Okay.
valve.
And name the valve which guides the opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle.
Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve has how many cusps or how many flaps?
3.
3.
3.
3. Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, heart is a dash derived organ
Mesodermally derived.
Mesodermal.
situated in which cavity?
Thoracic cavity.
Thoracic cavity.
Thoracic cavity.
Thoracic cavity between dash lungs.
2 lungs.
2 lungs.
It is protected by a double-walled membranous bag.
Pericardium.
Pericardium.
Upper 2 chambers are called.
Atria.
Atria.
Atrium.
The fluid which is filled in pericardium is called.
Pericardium fluid.
Pericardium fluid.
A thin muscular wall called dash separates the right and the left atria.
Arterioventricular septum.
Yes, but you
AV
just need to remember when it is atria, it is thin. And when we talk about separation of the left and the right ventricles, beta, then this wall is a thicker one.
Thick.
That is the main difference that we need to remember. And also remember, when we talk about left and right, then bicuspid or tricuspid. That is the main thing that you need to remember in this part also. So we are hardly left with 2.5, 3 pages, which we'll be able to easily revise tomorrow. So one chapter would be done. You will be having your classes also during UT's beta. So we'll continue with our revisions, and I'm sure if we keep coming and attending, then before your biology exam, you'll be able to revise everything. It won't be difficult for you. There are just 4 chapters. So please revise these pages that we have done today. Now, after a long time, you can take rest, Bachchan. God bless you all. Okay? You can
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
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 God bless you all.